Hi everyone, I'm Laura Lee with Equipment East, and today we're going to take a look at the DEVELON -9 excavators. From the smallest DX230 to the largest DX400, these machines represent a massive leap forward for DEVELON. And this isn't just a new excavator. This is a smarter, more productive, and safer excavator. Let me show you why the -9 is the most advanced excavator that's on the market. Serviceability was clearly a priority during development. Look, this is wicked easy. They've got the fuel, water separator, fuel filter, oil filter. All right, so let me show you guys the air cleaner and the reversible cooling fan. Super easy to access. This helps minimize debris and manual cleaning requirements. Whether you choose between the 230, 260, 360, or the 400, the -9 is a better overall machine for owners, operators, safety, productivity, and overall performance. I'm Laura Lee with Equipment East.